What's going on, everybody? This is what I built using Claude AI. I built my own eggsaistore.com, my own website, and you can find two guides: a master playbook or the complete playbook, and just the starter pack, which gives you prompts, leads, everything else, everything you see right here. So for the complete playbook, you get everything inside the starter guide. 5 advanced chapters: build a lead generation machine, LinkedIn domination strategy, 6-figure sales funnel, blueprint, 50 business lead sources, 20 advanced power prompts, 7-day first sale launch plan. And it's all for download. This is the website, right? Then we go to Etsy, right? These are all of my listings, all right? As you see, we have a Claude AI Mastery Guide with 50 plus prompts or power prompts, okay? So anyways, what I'm trying to do is I'm trying to use Claude AI or any AI in general and make money with it. Generate wealth, income, bam. Oh my gosh. One other thing I forgot to mention is I coded this all using Claude Code. There's two different things. There's Claude, which is basically like ChatGPT, and then there's Claude Code, which you can actually code and build websites. This website probably costs about $7 just for the domain for 1 year, and then otherwise everything else I was guided by Claude into creating this. And then also the Etsy, everything else you see. And actually the Etsy, so I had Claude research and do what's the best digital products right now and what can generate wealth. Basically the top selling products, and a lot of them are planners, spreadsheets. Otherwise, I came up with this one, the mastery guide. Anyways, if you guys want tutorials on how to do this, or even more videos, more live streams, because I did go live vibe coding the other day, and then I think yesterday I also went live just talking to Claude, I'm pretty sure. I forgot exactly what I did. But anyways, if you guys want more content, if you want tutorials on exactly how to do this, this is my road to wealth using Claude. Like the video and subscribe.